Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the tool. Open a terminal and run pip install Databricks Cli so the commands exist. Once done, get your workspace URL and a personal access token from the Databricks UI because the CLI needs credentials. Now run Databricks configure token, enter the URL, paste the token, and name a profile. This step ties your local CLI to the workspace. Make sure the profile name is memorable so you can reuse it across commands. You now interact with your workspace. List directories with Databricks Workspace LS and check files with Databricks FSLS to confirm locations. Then upload notebooks using Databricks Workspace Import or Databricks FSCP for data files. You do this to stage code and inputs. Next, define a job JSON and run Databricks jobs create JSON job. JSON to register a job. Use the profile flag if you configured multiple profiles. These steps prepare and automate runs so you can reproduce work reliably. You kick off work with Databricks jobs run now, passing job ID and any notebook params so the run executes. Then monitor progress using Databricks runs get and inspect cluster logs to understand failures or performance. This tells you why something failed. After completion, download outputs with Databricks FSCP, then clean up temp files and stop idle clusters to save costs. If the CLI errors, recheck the profile token and workspace URL, and run with debug to see raw API responses for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.